Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a program using C as our programming language that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will check and determine whether the given number by our user is odd or even numbers. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are here in our Dev C++ 5.11 programming environment, so we can start writing the first library file, sharp include tdio.h. This library file is very important in every C program because it allows us to use input-output statement. Next, int main. The int main is a function. It is the starting point of program execution in any C program. Next, int a equals 0 and check underscore num equals 0. Variable declaration, printf \n printf \t add an even number checker in C. This will be the title of our program. Print \n to \n printf \t give a number. Next, scanf %d %a followed with a semicolon. Next, I will be using this variable check sum equals a %2. Will be using later on our program. The percent is modulus, checking if there is a remainder. So we have here conditional statement. If check num underscore num equals 0, it means there is no remainder. Printf the given number %d is an even number, else begin and then add number. Now let us discuss first the things that we have done in this program before we save and test. Excuse me. The end of program that tells the user that the program is already ended. Okay, so we have here a very simple program, add an even number checker in C. So we have line number 1, standard libraries tdio.h for input output. Line number 3, a function main that is the starting point of the program execution in any C program. Line number 5 is a variable declaration to be used later in our program. In line number 8, the title of our program, add an even number checker in C. In line number 10 and 11, we are asking the user to give a number, to be specific, integer number. When we're talking about integer, it refers to a number that are whole, positive, negative, including 0. So that particular number will be stored in this variable a. So we have here another variable, check underscore num a %2. The % is a modulus, checking if there is a remainder. So we have here conditional statement, if else statement in C. If check underscore num equals 0, meaning there is no remainder, it means that the given number is an even number if it is true. Else, if it is false, the given number is an odd number. And then line number 24, end of the program, that tells the user that the program is already ended. So let us save our work. Let us create another folder here in this directory, add an even number in C. Double click that particular folder, then add even.c, the file name with the extension of C. Click the save button. We go to execute, compile and run. Let's say for example we give add an even number checker in C, give a number, let's say we give C 6. Okay. There is a mistake. What mistake? I forgot to put here a A. Okay, let us fix the bugs. Okay, so let us execute again. Give the number 8, add an even number checker in C, give a number 8. The given number 8 is an even number. End of program. Press enter key. We run again. Let's say for example 7, add an even number checker in C, give a number 7. The given number 7 is an odd number. End of the program. Final run. Let's say for example 12, give a number, add an even number checker in C, give a number 12. The given number 12 is an even number. End of program. Here we go guys, we have already done writing, testing and debugging our add an even number checker in C programming language. Before we end, I would like to say thank you for my new subscriber and subscribers to my channel. I really appreciate your support in my channel. Rest be assured that I will try my very best to deliver you quality, easy to understand video tutorials on computer programming about life and information technology. Before I end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Says until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.